So let's make this quick and delicious donut recipe. You don't need yeast to make this delicious donut, and you will see how easy it is to make. And once you make it, you can make it again and again because it's simply delicious. So let's get started with the recipe. To make this donut recipe, our first ingredient is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then our second ingredient is yogurt. As you can see here, I have taken almost 1 cup of yogurt, but it is not full 1 cup. This is as you can see, a little gap over here, so it's little more than 3/4 cup of the yogurt. And if you want to measure it different way, then there is, if you're measuring in the grams, then 190 grams of yogurt, plain yogurt. There is no flavor, just plain yogurt. And if you want to do it in ounces, then it's 6.5 ounce plus half tablespoon. So I'm just to make it easy, I'm using a 1 cup, and then there is a little more than 3/4 cup, about a tablespoon more than 3/4 cup. So it's almost a full cup, but this is how much you want to take. So I'm going to make my self-raising flour at home, so that's why it's gonna be a 3 ingredient: baking powder, flour, and yogurt. But if you have already a self-raising flour at home, then it would be just 2 ingredients. So into that 1 cup of plain flour, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. So that's 1 teaspoon. And then half teaspoon. Mix it. And now I will add, simply just mix this 2 ingredient. I'm just gonna add half first and then mix it. If you can see it proper. We want really sticky dough. Adding rest of my yogurt to it. Give it a mix. So after mixing it, you can see this is how much sticky is our dough, as you can see here. It's very sticky, and that's how we want. This is the right consistency, as you can see. So our dough is ready. Our dough is ready, and we are ready to fry our donuts. But before I do that, I just wanted to prepare our glaze. If you want to make a glaze, you can definitely, but I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm just going to add some honey on top to glaze my donuts. And then in the other bowl here, I'm just gonna do sugar and cocoa powder. So just adding some sugar here. And this is optional. You can make a glaze or do all honey or all sugar, however you like. I'm just gonna do a little bit of chocolate powder and sugar. Give it a mix. Okay, so this is ready. Our sugar and cocoa powder mixture is ready. So now, since I have 2 of them ready, we will go and fry our donuts. Now to fry, you need a piping bag. Here I'm using a piping bag, but if you don't have, you can just simply use a Ziploc bag. So I'm just gonna fill out my piping bag here with the dough. And my oil is heating up already. So look at this. This is how it's looking. And now I'm just gonna give it a Depends on how big and small you like. I like it like on a medium size. I'm just gonna cut it right there, and as you can see, it's already coming out. And you will need scissors. Alright, so my oil is ready, and I'm just gonna hold my piping bag like this, press it, and use your scissor to cut it. You can make it whole long if you want. As you can see, look at this long one, like a churros. So fry them until they're nicely golden brown. Here they all are nicely golden brown. I'm gonna take it out from the oil. As you can see, so just take it out on the paper towel, and we're ready to fry our second batch. Just be careful, don't you burn your hands. So they are getting golden brown. So they are perfectly golden brown. I'm ready to take them out on a plate. As you can see it. Look at this. So as you can see, they are nicely golden brown. Okay, so now we are ready to glaze in. So I'm gonna do half and half. So half I'm gonna add it into this our prepared sugar cocoa powder. Add. So that's there. Just gonna shake it. You can also do a melted chocolate on top. Guess this beautiful sugary. You can also do a cinnamon. Add some cinnamon. So these are my cocoa powder sugar donuts are ready. You can also do a cinnamon sugar, whatever flavor you like. But these are ready. So now let's move on to our second, which is honey flavor. Add this donuts in here. Squeeze some honey on top. Also, and make sure it's covered with honey. Our honey glazed donut is ready. So see how shiny they are. And I'm gonna eat it and show you from inside as well. This is how it looks from inside. As you can see, nicely cooked and so soft like a donut. Good, so good. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next recipe. Till then, bye bye.